So here we got the 98 Ford Mustang Cobra. This thing, it's not the original paint. It was repainted, oh, probably 15 years ago. I don't even know when. But sits outside all the time. It's looked good for a large number of years, but lately, look at the clear coat. Has started to fade a lot. You can see it. It's just been washed, so it's not very shiny. Let's see if we can maybe polish it up. We got a polisher and some fine compound. Let's see what we can do. Well, we got some stuff. Maybe we can do something with it. Got this Bauer random orbit. So instead of the ones that just spin, this is supposed to be wider. That's mirror glaze. Got a good price from Ollie's, $10, and ultra fine pad. So we're going to start with something really mild and see what we can do. Let's see. Speed action going there. Let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can get some polishing going here. To see, but after a few moments got some pretty nice results. That's, can't see ourselves there. Let's see, and there's not the best light, but buff some more and take a look at it. Well, you can see we're getting some shine back on it. Looks pretty good. Still got to do more over here. This is still pretty dull, but we're going with the lowest setting with the finest compound. We want to use the mildest. We want to use the mildest procedures first. So anyway, let's give it some more go. Losing light though. Well, back in a few. Well, after another pass, it's looking a little better. There's the part we did, and there's the part we haven't done, so we're getting somewhere. It's looking a little better. That's all we wanted to do. I'd have to finish this another day. We are losing some light, but there's your Harbor Freight and orbital polishers. Polish. Be back later. That's looking pretty promising there. So about after a few minutes of polishing it, let's compare it to this side that we haven't done anything with yet. Can't really. It's dull. Shiny in there. There's the dull and shiny. That's it for today. We'll continue on another day if we got more light and more time. Thank you everybody for watching, subscribing, liking, sharing. And see you guys on the next one. Well, we did half the trunk lid. And, it's pretty nice. You can see the tree in there. There's some promise for the old paint yet.